Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up and manage customer loyalty programs in Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and the first thing that we need to do to set this up is go here in the search button and type in loyalty and rewards, just like that. And from here you want to go click here, search for loyalty and rewards in Shopify App Store. And once this is loaded, it will show you a bunch of apps that you could use for loyalty and rewards program that you can install in your store so that customers would be able to do it as well as a mission or something like that. But the app that we're going to use today is Smile Loyalty and Rewards right here. So we're just going to open this new tab. And remember, you can always use another app right here as long as it fits you, like it's in terms of budget and what you need or what you like in terms of theme or something like that. So you might want to explore other apps as well so that you can know that which one is the best for you. But for this example, we'll be going with Smile Loyalty and Rewards. So you can click on that and you'd be redirected right here. So once we're here, we're going to click on Add App so that we can install this into our store. And from here, the last thing is just wait for this to load and click here on Install App. So once that's done, all we need to do is just go and wait for this to load right here. And wait for it to load. It's loading right here and get started right here. And now what kind of products do you sell right here? Let's say I'll go for fashion. Where is the fashion? Health and supplements. Maybe we'll just go for just random, just go for clothing and fashion right here. Clicks. And now select the language next. And for the launcher right here, Smile Ads button. Bottom of your site, we call it the launcher right here. So this is the button. And click on the next button. And from here, you can customize your loyalty program name. So we're going to go Be Loyal, More Rewards. So this is how it would look like right here when they click this button. And you can also change the color into red right here. I prefer red right here, just like that. And what color for your icon and text? You can go black, but I prefer white. So click on next. And always remember, you can change this later if you want to. And reward with points. Every time a customer makes a purchase, they will be rewarded with points that can be used for discounts on future orders right here. And the rewards will be sent to the customers via email. So click on the next one, next button. And this is what happens when you launch your Launch Smile. The launcher button appears at the website, and rewards emails will be sent to your customers right there and with points, just like that. And you want to read that right here and click on Launch Program so that we can now proceed and we can finish this. And now here we are. And now that we have completed the setup, now we can manage our programs right here. So you can click here on program at the left, and you can see a lot of ways right here so that you can earn points, or for the customers to go for points right here, points expiry, point status, and so on. And you could also go for the referrals right here. Make sure to activate this if you want our referrals program right here for your customers, so they would refer your store into other people right here. And make sure that your program is currently active right here. Make sure that it is active right here at the bottom. And once you have made sure of that, then referrals should be up into your site right there. And you can also track the performance right here on the customers and how they are doing with your program. And yeah, you can basically manage your program right here. And this is for the end of the video. That is how you set up and manage your customer programs here in Shopify. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.